Good morning and welcome back again in my channel. Today I bring here Noémie, my latest creation. She is a polar bear, a baby polar bear. She is a girl. She is about 15-inch long. She is wigged because when I was stuffing her body, I put glass beads and some fibers. She has a plastic nose, her mouth is embroidered, she has resin eyes made by myself. Look how easy she moves. Her arms are attached in a ragdoll style. Her legs move also very well, and when you get her in your hands, you have a feeling of a real creature. Here you have her wearing her first outfit. It's a pink onesie matching with pink headband too. Also, underneath this onesie, she wears a newborn diaper or preemie size. As I mentioned to you, this baby bear going home with two set of outfits. This is the second one, a very simple dress made by me. I don't have too much experience, but it's fine. I used this floral fabric I found in Joanne fabric and matching with this pink panties. This square is just a proper, is not included in this sale. And if you are in love with this cute animal, follow the link below in from my Etsy store and you can adopt her. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you as soon as possible. Bye bye.